Hello everyone, this is Elijah with the RideShare Guy, and in this video we're going to be covering how to set up FastPay, which will allow you to cash out your earnings anytime you like, as opposed to having to wait till the end of the week for it to be deposited into your bank account. So you want to start off by opening the Dasher app up, then click the bars in the top left hand corner. Click on Earnings, then click on View Payout Details. Once here, there's an option that says Cash Out with FastPay. You want to click it. And then you want to click the transfer button. Before you do this, you should know that there is a FastPay fee, as you can see, which is about $2. And it's important to note that you can only use FastPay once a day. Funds should be in your account within 30 minutes to 1 day according to DoorDash, but in my experience, it's usually in the account between 5 to 30 minutes. Click on Transfer. And the money has been transferred to my debit card I have on file with DoorDash. If you've never used FastPay before, when you enter this section, it will have an option for you to add a debit card in order to use FastPay. You can also access the screen by clicking on Change Payout Method. You'll then be taken here. Click on Edit. Then click on Update FastPay Details. From here, you just add your debit card if it's your first time, or update the debit card if you have a new one that you would like to use for FastPay going forward. Now that we've covered exactly how to set up FastPay, there's some things that you need to know about FastPay to be eligible to use it in the first place. In order for FastPay to be an option for you to use as a Dasher, you will have to have completed at least 25 deliveries on the DoorDash platform. You had to have at least been on the DoorDash platform for at least 2 weeks since activation. And once you do qualify for FastPay, once you add your debit card, it will take 7 days for DoorDash to process the request, so you won't be able to use FastPay within that 7-day period. So it's important as soon as you qualify for FastPay to go ahead and add your debit card so you can begin that 7-day period. And lastly, the same process that we use to add a debit card can be used to replace a debit card. But once you have added a new debit card and the processing period has begun, you won't have the option to replace that debit card in your FastPay option while the 7-day processing period is going on. It's important to note that if you do replace the debit card on file for your FastPay at any time, another 7-day processing period will be enacted, so you won't be able to use that FastPay option for another week. On top of this, as shown before, there is a processing fee of $1.99 each time you use it, so you want to keep that in mind every time you decide to use FastPay, because if you're not careful, these fees can really start to add up and take away from your overall weekly earnings. That does it for this video. If you can give us a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, that's greatly appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Now, if you're watching this video, it's pretty likely that you're a Dasher yourself or you're considering signing up with DoorDash. And one thing that's critical when dashing with DoorDash is to know certain things that will allow you to maximize your income. That's why you want to check this video out on the screen right now that covers various tips that can help you maximize your income in your market with DoorDash. I will catch y'all in the next video, and like always, be safe and be profitable.